Hi, welcome to this WP Ultimate CSV Importer tutorial. Today in this video, I will show you how arithmetic operations in CSV Importer works. Let's look at the WooCommerce product CSV file I have prepared. I'm going to calculate the sale price of a product if it is sold with a certain discount. Here in my CSV file, I have created an extra field named discount along with other WooCommerce product fields. And I have given the value 15 for the discount rate. I have given the value 199 for the product regular price. Let's move to the CSV importer page in the WordPress dashboard. Start uploading the CSV file. Here you can see new items option selected. I'm importing a new product, so I leave it as default. Choose the WooCommerce product option from this drop down and click on continue. Map the CSV fields with WordPress fields. The fields are auto-mapped if CSV headers and WP field headers are the same. Here in the sale price field, choose header manipulation from the drop-down. Select the formula icon and enter the formula to calculate the sale price of the product. Start providing your formula with text math in caps. Give an open bracket and provide the formula. And close the formula with a closing bracket. Click continue to proceed next. Click continue. Click on import button to import the product in WordPress. Once importing is completed, click View Log button to verify the import. Here, click on Admin View. You can see here the sale price is automatically calculated according to the given formula. Hope this video is useful. Thanks for watching.